Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to see who viewed your Twitter profile. Let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to click on your profile and click on settings and support. You want to click on settings and support, and you will realize that you cannot see who viewed your profile because it is against Twitter privacy protocol. What you can do is you can click on the bell icon and you can see who followed you, and whoever followed you probably viewed your profile. And that is it, guys. But what you can do is you can go ahead to your web browser and you can search for Twitter Analytics. You can go to your web browser and you can search for Twitter Analytics. And you can click on Twitter Analytics and you can sign in with your Twitter account. So what this does is it will give you a generalized information of your Twitter account. It will tell you how many people viewed your profile, but it will not tell you who viewed your profile. It will also give you other information like how many followers you have, how many impressions you have depending on your posts. And this is very good information because you can learn whether your Twitter account is thriving or flatlining, guys. And this is very useful information. And that is it, guys. You just realize that you cannot see who viewed your profile, but you can also see how many people have viewed your profile, guys. I hope you found this information helpful. Please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.